Okay, first step, we can put the shelf on this part and then use a tool to tie it. There are total 4 pieces screws. Okay, then next step, we will put this paddle on the shelf. Please match the correct position. Insert. Okay, next step, we will put the screw inside the hole and tie it.
Yeah.
And then put this cable on the shelf. And last step, we will insert the power line to the machine. Okay, when we start this machine, we will enter into this screen. We can setting the intensity here, and setting the speed of the light here, and setting the modes. A for continuous modes and B for pulse mode, and setting the treatment time here. And then you can choose the light or adjust the shelf to the position. After setting, just press ready.